So here we were working on a Frigidaire stove, stainless, flat top, that the control panel worked, but the oven wasn't coming on. Okay, we'll show you why that oven wasn't coming on. And then we got a donor stove just like it for parts. Alright. So basically the stove I just showed you in the house was this top control panel. And that's behind this control panel. It just comes out of there. And our plug had melted on the back side here and ruined the prongs. So this other one, that's a donor, we took out and we didn't have that problem. All the prongs were good, but we see his problem was his coil. Well, since his didn't work, this control panel, because of the coil, but ours worked, we went ahead and opened it up and unsoldered the coil. So this is the coil for it. We're about to put the coil in that one and put it back in the stove and test it out. So the top one was burnt up, but the coil worked. The bottom one, the whole screen didn't come on. So the bottom one is the coil, that was bad. The top one, everything still come on, but the oven and that wouldn't come on because that top yellow wire that's melted off was the bake and the blue wire was the broil. So they were burnt up. That's why they weren't coming on, but the control panel still worked because this transformer or coil still worked. So we unsoldered it. Now we got to unsolder this one inside this control panel right there. Got 6 big solder spots, and then we'll solder it back in and retest it. Then we'll put up video 2 when we put it all back together.